Students, today's topic is message writing. First of all, I like to discuss that what is the message. So students, a message should be brief and at the same time it should contain all the necessary information, and all the informations must be clear. So you can say the purpose of writing messages is to give information in clear form. Okay. So now we will discuss the features that is given in your book. It must be very short, including only the important details, and relevant information should be provided in brief. What it should be? It should be short, and what it must include only important details and relevant information. Second, the name of the person for whom the message is written should be mentioned. Okay, so the person for whom the message is written should be strictly mentioned. Okay, and the person who is writing the message must be mentioned. Okay, and the date and time when the message is written, okay, should also be mentioned. So you have to write the date and also the time when you are writing the message. Okay, and a message need not to be written in sentences. So mind that the message that you are writing must not be in sentences, and some articles, conjunctions of verbs can be omitted. Okay, so you must omit the verbs or conjunctions or articles. Okay, so these are the features for writing messages. Now we will discuss the purpose of writing messages. Okay, what is the aim, what is the objective, and what is the purpose that we are going to discuss. Okay, first of all, to request someone to do some work. Okay, the purpose of writing message can be a request, okay, to do some task. For example, buying movie tickets. Okay, so for buying movie tickets you can write a message in a requesting language. Second, to give some important information. Okay, so children, you might have understood that the purpose of writing messages is also to give important information. It might be connecting, or it might be related to a quiz in your class. Okay, to give some sort of explanation. Okay, so for giving an explanation or sharing an idea, you can write a message. And for example, had to leave suddenly because, you have to tell the reason. You can tell the reason in this message, that your mother became ill and so you have to leave suddenly for your friend's house. And finally, at last, to apologize to someone. Okay, to say sorry if you forgot some work to do. For example, if you forgot to bring the book, so in that case you can also write a message in an apology form. Okay, so now students, what is a diary writing? So first of all, I would like to share, or I would like to discuss that what is the diary writing. A diary is a book with spaces for each day of the year in which we can write down things we have to do in future. Okay, and you can also say that a diary is a book in which we can write down the experiences we have each day, our private thoughts and feelings, etc. So you might have understood that what is a diary writing. Okay, so what is the guideline for writing a diary? First of all, the date is mentioned right at the beginning at the top left corner. Okay, whenever you write a diary, first of all the date is mentioned, and where? At the beginning, at the top left corner side. And then comes the next line when the day is mentioned, and the first of all the date and then the day. It is given Monday here. Okay, so it was the day Monday when the diary was written. And third, In the next line, the time is mentioned, and after day you have to give the time. At what time you are writing the diary. And then comes the beginning of the diary. Whenever you begin a diary, students, you have to start with Dear Diary. Whenever you write a diary, it should begin with Dear Diary. Okay? A diary must include clear and brief description of events, happenings may be recorded. Okay? So, the diary must show the clear and brief description of the happenings or events. And secondly, the writer's thought. The person who is writing the diary, his thoughts and feelings must be expressed with honesty and frankness in the diary. In what way it should be expressed? With honesty and frankness. And the feelings and the thoughts of the writer who is writing the diary should be expressed with honesty and frankness. And the ideas expressed are in an informal style. In what style? The ideas must be expressed in informal style. And it may be written in paragraphs. So there is a liberty that you can write the diary in paragraphs. And some ideas may be related to the writer's personal life. Okay? And some of the ideas the writer of the diary or the writer can give related to his personal life. And finally, at last, write your name informal at the end. Okay? And finally, at the end, the person who is writing the diary has to write his or her name. Okay? So, these are the guidelines for writing a diary that you must remember or follow while writing a diary. So, now we'll discuss some examples of writing a diary. So, students, you can have a look at this diary given here. First of all, at the left side, in the corner at the top, the date is given here. And the date showing is 25 July 2020. And the day, Monday. And the time, 7:30 p.m. And what I told you, that whenever you begin a diary, you will start with Dear Diary. So, Dear Diary, today I was very excited since morning because my parents had planned to take us to the amusement park in the suburbs of our township. Daddy took water bottles, our caps, and Mama packed some sandwiches. When we reached the amusement park, I was fascinated by the various rides. Harish also gave when he saw people shrieking and shouting as they went up and down on various rides. We went on different rides like My Fair Lady, Columbus, Cup and Saucer ride. Mother always had Harish's hand, which I did not like. Dad held my hand. Anyway, we went on the roller coaster next. Oh, it was amazing. Something churned in my stomach and we all yelled when it suddenly went up and then came down. Harish was next to me and clutched my hand on the roller coaster. I was equally scared, so I did not mind. After the rides, we had ice cream, sandwiches. By the end of the day, Daddy was as exhausted as any of us. We drove home and relaxed. In the evening, I could hardly wait to share my experience with my best friend, Nikhil. On the whole, we had a great day. Now I am signing off. Okay? So, at the left side in the corner, the name of the person, Anu, is written because she has written the diary. So, the student try to understand. First of all, the date 25 July 2020. Then comes the day, Monday, on which the diary is written, and the time. And when you address a diary or when you start or begin a diary, you have to start with Dear Diary. And here, Anu is sharing her experiences of feelings and her enjoyment that she enjoyed in the amusement park and whatever fun she had there with her brother and father, and finally what they enjoyed to eat. For example, ice cream, sandwiches, which they ate there, and finally she writes a name. Okay, so you might have understood that what is the format of a diary. Okay, so I would like to say that you must practice more and more diaries and become perfect in diary writing.